now we have an incoming call, and now let me just show you some magic. Just pinch twice to answer the phone call, right? And now you can rub twice to end the phone call. Call ended. Yeah, and that's the Xiaomi Watch 5. It's probably the most fun smartwatch I've ever reviewed. But this is a demo mission, so I cannot show you all the functions. But in this video, let's just give you a quick look. Alright, so this is the packaging for the Xiaomi Watch 5. Okay, still this long box. Okay, on the back there are some highlights like 1.54-inch AMOLED display, 2.6mm ultra slim bezel, classic watch design, sapphire glass cover, and dual core and dual system architecture. Super large battery for long lasting battery life. It's 930 mAh battery, so it can last for 6 days on the performance mode and 18 days for power saving mode. 18 days. Oh my god, that's just crazy, right? And especially there's a rich gesture control. Gesture control for Xiaomi ecosystem devices. Here I cannot show you all of that, but I can show some clips from my friend. Okay, and supports 150 plus sports modes and gym training sports and super Xiaomi intelligent on the wrist in time anywhere. No. Okay, that is the watch. Okay, we'll take a close look at it a little bit later. A very simple Chinese manual. Of course, it's Chinese. It's a Chinese one. Okay, and we have this charging cable. Okay, the charging cable is magnetic as always, strong and solid. All right, now let me just give you a quick design walkthrough. So on the back we have actually two Macs. One is here and one's here, 2 Macs, and this is the balance hole. And if you look at closer, there's even a barometer down here. So and this is a speaker on the right side. So yeah, there are pretty, lots of holes on this watch. In the back of the charge contacts and this heart rate sensing array and rotating crown. And here the power key. As for the strap, is the normal quick release one, very easy to take off or put on, and something like that. So the build quality, 47mm round case with double-sided synthetic sapphire glass, is extremely scratch resistant, and a 316L stainless steel case. It also offers an optional 3D printed titanium metal strap that's lightweight and breathable. Press and hold for 2 seconds. You will, activate the Xiaomi voice assistant. As this is the Chinese version, so whenever speak English, you will just translate the Chinese to English to Chinese. So that's a little bit tricky. All right, but anyway, that's just a second. Let's get back to the home interface. And here you long press, you can swipe left or right to get to the smart watch face you want. Okay, like this one because it's straightforward. Not just press once, you get to see all these apps. Wow, let me just. Wow, it's like a super smooth, right? Ooh. Let's check out the settings, which I want to show you. One of the biggest highlights of the watch: gestures and preferences. Okay, and here, quick gestures, you can just enable it, and then you can see all of these things. Let me just show you the tutorial. Okay, like a pinch twice. Okay, keep your forearm parallel to your chest with the palm down, and then blah blah blah, and then. Okay, just like that. But sometimes it's not that sensitive. You have to try many times. Maybe this is demo machine, or maybe I didn't do it properly. But it's really interesting. And then rub twice to reject a phone call or something. Snap fingers, just like that. Okay, snap fingers, shake wrist, rotate wrist. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. So the principle behind this fun gesture control is Xiaomi Watch 5 features a first-in-industry EMG sensor that captures weak electrical signals from your arm muscles to recognize your gesture intentions. Sports Coach supports over 150 sports modes, and it adds a G mode with 3D animation guidance to instruct you on standard equipment training. And this time, Xiaomi Watch 5 has significantly upgraded the health features with top-tier hardware like ECG analysis, auto blood pressure tracking. It also has a one-touch health scan, so quickly measures heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and other indicators, generating a comprehensive health report. So why do you have to go through all those expensive physical checks, right? Just use this smartwatch. Alright, that is the quick unboxing and hands-on of the Xiaomi Watch 5. To be honest, this is like maybe the most smartwatch that I really want to buy because all those fun, gestures. But I doubt it that if you can fully utilize all those fun gestures like outside of China because of the versions of the languages, difference. It's really fun. Maybe I will consider buy one. What do you think about it? Please let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there are lots of videos. Xiaomi 17 Ultra is on the way. Definitely subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.